Excuse me, random girl, to whom I have no association with and have never seen you before outside of this question. Can you please, in your best words, try to explain to me what you think direct discussion is?
Okay, direct discussion is an approach to teaching in which the teacher transmits information directly to the student. Lessons are goal-oriented and structured by the teacher.
Wow, random girl, you must be borderline genius. That's exactly what the definition is.
Okay, I don't think that I really understand what that means. Do you think that you can explain it to me in a way that kids our age would understand?
I think I can do that.
Yo, it's about time I taught you about direct discussion.
Direct discussion.
You know what it is, chapter 7.
Shawty.
That's what's up, here we go.
Shawty.
I'm about to explain direct discussion. If you don't understand it, you probably have a concussion. There are a few terms that you ought to know, like lesson planning, mental set, and the rule example rule, yo. Lesson planning is a must-have necessity. How else could you explain chapter 3, lesson B? You gotta break each section down to come up with your objective, but follow these next steps to make your speech effective. Mental set is the next step. In turn, you gotta tell them kids, sit down, don't be too firm. You better get them curious and you better be fast, or you're gonna get the sleepers in the back row of the class. The most essential step is the rule example rule. You gotta know this term if you wanna teach in school. The R and E and R is an easy process. First you give them a rule, then you let them progress. You show examples and then combine the two. Try to make it fun if you want them to think you're cool. Direct discussion is important for learning. A few simple steps will get their brains a-churning. I gotta go now, cause I'm running out of lines. Since Kevin showed a segue, I guess I'll show mine.